and beautiful Ankara bag. Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to be making this beautiful Ankara bag, and these are the things we will be needing for this bag. A bag strap. It's really hard for me to pronounce, guys. A bag strap. I recycled this from an old bag. Bag hardware. I recycled this from an old bag too. Zip. Africa fabric, also known as Ankara fabric. You need your leather piece. I recycled this from an old luggage. Spray gum. It doesn't have to be this brand. The important thing is written permanent on it. Permanent, you see, permanent, adhesivo permanent, because I live in Italy. Permanent adhesive. Okay, it can be any brand. These are the things we need for this tutorial to make this beautiful Ankara bag. And the measurement of this pattern is 8.5 inches by 13 inches. Then you look for something round to curve, to give it a curve in this place. Just curve the side like this. When using spray gum, you make sure you do it outside the house. You see? Then I will leave it a bit to dry, just 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll put the fabric on top. I want this place to show this. I want this place to show more, this leaf part of it. I want it to show more. You see, then I'll smoothen it out with my hand. I really love using spray gum. So then I will spray this side. After gumming it, I will cut it. All the parts needed to assemble this bag is ready. This one is the tube I will pass through this strap. Is the size. You sew your tube according to the size of your strap. And this one is the side, this thing, I don't know what to call it, the side strap holder. Yeah, the side strap holder, you see. And these 3 parts, one is for the upper parts and this one is for the around body parts. So I cut it too because I don't have enough leather to just cut one long one, so I cut 2. These 2 I will join it together before I take the measurement. This is 41 inches around. I mark here, this is where I started from and I ended there. So this one that we are going to be working with now should be 41 inches. This one is 4 inches width, 4 inches width. After sewing it together, it should be 41 inches round. This is 4 inches. I marked it in the middle. Then I'll rule it. I will measure this 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 inch. Then I'll come here, then I'll measure 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch. So the zip I wanted to use was not long enough. That is why I'm using this black. So I'll put just little hot gum to fix it in place. Very little to fix it in place so it will not move. I will take it to the machine to sew. After sewing it, I will cut off the excess zip. So you see, it's 16 inches. Remove half an inch. This place is now 15 inches, you see. 41 inches minus 15 inches is equal to 26 inches. So I'll mark here, you see, 13 inches plus half for seam allowance. Then 13 inches plus half for seam allowance. Then I will do this side the same way. I cut off this place I marked. I thought the video was running, it was on pause. I forgot to start it. So I cut this place off. Then I will take it to the machine to sew it and sew here. To know the middle of this, you put it together equal like this. Then you mark it with your marker. This one is lead. Eyebrow pencil I'm using. Then you do the same thing to this side. This is the middle. This is the middle, okay? Then I will fold this equal parts like this. 2. Then I will mark the middle. So doing this, you will not make mistake. You put this middle to this middle and clip it down. See? And you do like so. Clip it down. So let's go to the machine to sew.